Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay, that trying to. As you guys can see, we got an issue with the toilet today. This is an empty unit, so we don't know if they dropped something down or what. But as you can see, plugged up. Try the testy plunger. Okay, so that worked. What we are going to do, we're going to snake it out just to make sure. So this is the rigid 6 foot. It's a KP. It's a K6P. It's a 6 foot. It's got the pivoting head to make it go through these traps easy enough. That was the 3 foot. Then if we pull it out just a tad, you'll see this little button here, right? So we're going to push that in, pull the cable, the handle up, and it's going to click in there. Now we're going to put the other 3 feet in. With these toilet augers, you always want to turn clockwise. If you turn counterclockwise or to the left, what's going to happen is the coil inside the spring is actually going to kink up on itself because it's meant to turn to the right. So with the 6 feet in, we would have got down through the trap into the 90 of the floor where it's in the ground, and over to the stack. So that means the whole toilet drain itself is clear before it hits the main drain. Now we're going to pull it out. When you're this far in, it can be a little stiff, especially with these toilets. So just make sure you got 2 hands on it. Pull it out till you reach this point again. Push that in. Push the cable up. Now you can just force the handle down until it clicks back in there and you see that button. And we're going to pull it out. As you guys can see, we got nothing. I like to stick the cable up under the rim. Push it in. Give it a flush. The water that's coming around the rim is going to clean the cable a little bit. Grab it, hook it back up, and I like to use these cable cuffs. With these, this plastic can actually wear out and won't hold the cable properly. It'll kind of loosen off. I grab this cable cuff. It's just for extension cords or ropes or whatever. And put it on there, and it always holds. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Taragna.